and welcome back to my channel. I'm Adaobi Cynthiaa, and for today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way of trimming your brows. For this tutorial, you're going to need some cotton swabs, a spoolie, an eyebrow pencil, a hair removal, as well as some paper towels. Let's get right into it. First, you want to take your spoolie and brush your brows. And you do this so that you get a nice shape when you're done with the hair removal cream. Afterwards, I go ahead and I use the eyebrow pencil to carve out the shape of the brows I want. I gently follow my natural brows. I don't always do much because my brows are not that thick. I now go to the other brow and do the same thing. Now when I'm done with carving out the shape I want, I go in with the spoolie and I brush on my brows in this direction. I prefer this method because it's easier and it saves a lot of money. Now I go in with a cotton swab and my face hair removal cream, which is from Beauty 360. I take just a little. And I go above the line I drew on my brows, just like this. You want to be really careful in order not to go browless. Gently going and be really careful. Now I go back again and go underneath my brows, gently and carefully. Oh, so hot. Go back and take the excess here and take it in now. I take the clean side of the cotton swab and clean this because I don't want it on my eyelid. Just like that. Then I finish up. Just like that. Afterwards, now I go in with the clean cotton swab and do the other eyebrow, doing the same thing I did earlier. Took a little, just like that, and I applied it above the line I drew. on my brows. Going gently and carefully as before. Just like that. And I do the same thing underneath my brows. You want to try as much as possible to make your brows look alike. Brows are not meant to be sisters, but cousins. Right? Now. You want to try as much as possible to make your brows look the same, although that is not possible because your brows are two different individuals, but yeah. Now I take it into the center because sometimes I have hairs growing here. In order to get rid of that, I go in just like this, gently. Sometimes I extend it to the front of my brows, but just a little bit. Just like that. You don't want to go in too much. Now I clean up my left eyebrow, or beneath my left eyebrow, sorry. Just like that. And now I wait. You don't want to have this on for more than 10 minutes, so I'm gonna do it for 8 minutes. I'll set my timer now. Now I go in with a paper towel and wipe everything. And while wiping, you want to be really careful. I'll take one ply and I fold it like this. And I start with the middle and I go up just like that. And I go again. I turn to the other side and I go this way. And I go again. And I turn again to the other side and I go and I swipe through the other eyebrow as well, like this, just like that. You make sure you're really careful so you don't bring the cream down to the eyebrow. Now just clean everything up completely. After cleaning everything, my brows look like this, just how I want them to look. And now I'll go ahead and wash it off. After washing it off, my brows look like this and I love them. Try it and tell me what you think, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, tell me the next video you want to see, and see you in my next. Have a good day. Bye.